Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn the most important Cypress commands every QA engineer should know for automation testing. So let's begin. What is Cypress? Cypress is a modern end-to-end testing framework for web applications. For automating web application, fast setup and real-time browser reload. Cypress used by QA engineers and developers. Cypress supports Chrome, Edge, and Electron. For installing Cypress, install Node.js from nodejs.org. This is the website link. Create a project folder and run the command npm init-y for creating a project folder and installing Cypress. Npm install Cypress -f-dev. This command is used for installing Cypress. For opening the Cypress, enter command npx cypress open for opening the Cypress. Project structure. Cypress end-to-end. Inside this project folder, test files in which write the scripts. Cypress fixtures contains the test data. For example, you want to perform the login test. So here you need to enter username, password, and then click on login button. In the fixtures files, you can enter test data. Cypress support is used for reusable commands. Cypress.configuration, this is the configuration file. Inside cypress.config.js contains a configuration file. How to open a URL in a Cypress? Sci.visit. Sci.visit command used for opening the URL. For example, you want to open google.com. So enter command sci.visit and then enter the URL used to open website before testing. Before performing the testing, you need to open the website URL. So this is the command site.visit and then enter the website URL. Navigate between URLs. For go back, go back to the previous window, sci.go and then enter command back. Sci.go forward is used for go forward. If you want to reload the page, sci.reload is used for refresh the page, used for navigating testing. For maximize browser window, use sci.viewport for screen size testing. In Cypress, you can define the screen sizes by using this command sci.viewport and then enter here 920 and 1080. Test responsive layouts. How to close browser and quit browser. Cypress automatically handles browser's session. You can use after hooks for cleanup. So difference between close and quit browser in automation tools. If you want to close the current window, so you can use close, but if you want to close this session, so use the quit method. This is the important Cypress commands. Sci.get used for find elements and sci.click is used for click the buttons. Suppose you enter the username, password, and then you want to click on login button. So use command sci.click for clicking the button. Sci.type is used for enter the text. After navigating to the website, you need to enter the text in username field and password. So you need to use sci.type command for entering the text in the text field. Sci.contains is used for find the text. If you want to find any text, so you can use sci dot contains. Sci dot should is used for assertions, and sci dot wait is used for wait for request or time. By using sci dot wait, you can add a wait in your script. Assertions in Cypress. For verifying expected result, suppose you want to verify whether this dashboard is open or not. So you can use site.url dot should and include path here /dashboard. After logging successfully, this dashboard URL should be displayed. Site.get, this is heading 1 dot should contain welcome. After login successfully, a heading should be displayed welcome. So this is assertions. Handling inputs fields. If you want to enter email in email field, so enter sci.get and hash email dot type. First, you need to locate the element. For locating element, enter command sci.get email dot type. Dot type is used for entering the text in the text field, sci.get, and then enter element for password field dot type, and then enter the password used for login form testing. Click actions. Sci dot get button dot click. If you want to click on button, so use this command sci dot get and then enter the element for button, and then use the click method for clicking on the button. Double click if you want to click on double click on a button. So DBL click is used for double clicking on a button. And if you want to right click on a Cypress, use right click command for right click screenshots and videos. You can capture screenshots and videos easily in a Cypress because Cypress automatically captures screenshots on failure. Just enter command screenshot and the screenshot will automatically captured in the Cypress. It is used for bug reporting and QA documentation. If your test case failed in a script and you want to capture the screenshot after executing all the test cases, you can verify which test case are failed. So you can capture the screenshot and videos easily in a Cypress. Best practices for QA engineers. Use stable selectors, avoid unnecessary weights, because if you use weights, so script will be slow. Write reusable test cases. As I mentioned, you can reuse commands in a Cypress, keep tests simple and maintainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.